Students, today I'm going to complete the explanation of the lesson, which is Activity 3, Photosynthesis Production of the Organic Matter. This lesson is on page 36, 37. Pay attention. Open your books at these two pages. Hold the pencil in order to write notes. The objectives for this lesson, first you have to understand that the chlorophyll plants produce organic material from inorganic one, and this takes place during a process which is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Relate the process of photosynthesis to the presence of chlorophyll. Yani without chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, and light, photosynthesis will not take place. Okay. Understand that the organic materials elaborated sap produced by the green leaves are distributed to different organs by conducting vessels. I explained what do we mean by conducting vessels. Reduce the role of food in the mass increase of green plants. As an introduction, which pigment gives the chlorophyll plant their green color? What is the name of this pigment? Do you still remember I explained and I stated the name of the pigment during the explanation of the first activity? Yes, this pigment it is called chlorophyll. Where do we find this chlorophyll of this pigment? In the chloroplast of the green plants, only the green plants. Do you know another role for the importance of this pigment? Do you know the another role? هلا we know that this pigment gives the plant or the green plant its green color. But chlorophyll has another role for the green plant. What do green plants require to develop? What are the needs for the green plants, and where do chlorophyll plants take water and mineral salts? From where? From where? Where do chlorophyll plants takes carbon dioxide from? So all of these questions we have to answer them during the explanation of this lesson. Pay attention. Photosynthesis production of organic matter. In the previous period, I explained how to test the presence of the organic matter during photosynthesis. This organic matter it is called starch. Yes, water and mineral salts absorbed by the chlorophyll plant type. What is the name of the organ of absorption of water and mineral salts? What do we call them? These organs that are responsible for these structures that are responsible for the absorption of water and mineral salt. We call them root hairs. Okay, are used. So water and mineral salts together form a sap. What of this sap? It's the root sap. Excellent. Are used by the leaves. Which part of the plant? The part of the plant يعني هي بنعتبرها which we consider it as a factory. هي كمصنع. هي leaves in the synthesis of the organic matter. فإذا the synthesis of the organic matter takes place in the leaves of the green plant. Why? Later I'm going to explain. That synthesis which results in the formation of starch. So starch is the organic matter produced by the leaves of the green or chlorophyll plant. This requires the intervention of other elements, and not only water and mineral salts, there are another elements that are necessary for the production of starch, the organic matter. So what are these elements? And what is the importance of the manufacture of organic matter? The synthesis manufacture يعني تصنيع. شو أهمية تصنيع أو السينثيسيس للأورجانيك ماتر اللي هي الستارش. So this is the first experiment. Pay attention in order to understand it well. What do you see in this figure? We see a geranium leaf. Okay, what happens to this leaf? They covered the leaf by a black mask. Like why? Why they covered it in the middle by a black mask? Why? To prevent the exposure of the middle to light. يعني هون we are going to study the importance of what? Of light. Yes, we are going to study the importance of light. So, first, take a leaf from a geranium plant which has been exposed to light for several hours. ناخدها. Place the leaf for 10 minutes in hot alcohol. Do you still remember what is the importance of using hot alcohol? شرحتها. I explained it in the experiment in the previous period. Yes, hot alcohol, it is used for decolorization to remove the green color, which is called, or the green pigment chlorophyll from the leaves of green plants. To avoid burning. ليش بنحط الهوت in a hot water bath? To avoid burning of alcohol vapor. Then you have to dip the leaf in iodine water. Why? For 5 minutes. Why do we dip the leaf in iodine water? Why? To test or to check the presence of the starch لحتى نحن نفحص أو نشوف where is the starch present، وين موجودة الستارش. فإذا هول اللي كان عندكم ياهن as a study from the previous period. Okay. فهون what شو هو ال posed problem here? Is light important for the production of the organic matter starch by photosynthesis? So they put the black mask, okay, here the black mask to study the importance of light. طيب سألتكم أنا what is the variable factor هون؟ هون بالميدل بارت، هيدي الميدل variable factor هو اللايت. ليش؟ هون الميدل بارت هي deprived of light، محرومة من اللايت، وهون exposed، هون الإدجز الأطراف هني exposed to light. So the variable factor is light. طيب after the treatment، بعد ما عالجناه بالهوت الكول بالايودين solution، لاحظوا الدارك بلو color appear بالإدجز at the edges. هون بتلونوا لي اياهم in your book بلون البن. اوكي dark blue color. What does this mean؟ وهون كان عندنا white or yellow color. هون لما عملت أنا iodine test، هيدا الشي بيعني إنه بالميدل there is no starch because of the absence of the dark blue color. while at the edges عند الأطراف عندنا starch لأنه dark blue color appeared by using iodine solution. Okay. طيب أنا راح أسألكم do you think that light is important for photosynthesis? Yes, light is important for the production of starch during photosynthesis. So the first necessary element for the production of starch is light. أصلا كلمة photosynthesis photo يعني light وsynthesis put together، يعني البلانت عم تاخد الووتر mineral salts ومعهم اللايت وغيرهم أشياء اللي رح ندرسها بعدين تعمل to produce starch. اوكي variable factor هو اللايت. pose the problem is light important. فإذا هيدي for the production of starch by photosynthesis. هلا I want to ask you a question. What is the objective؟ ليش نحن عملنا this experiment؟ to study the importance of light during photosynthesis. Excellent. طيب hypothesis دائما أنا بدي جاوب على ال posed problem، يعني I have to find a solution for the posed problem. شو هيدا السولوشن؟ أنا عم بسأل هل اللايت is light important for the production of starch by photosynthesis؟ خليني لاقي حل. شو عرفت أنا من هيدا الإكسبيرمنت؟ إنه اللايت هو important؟ بقول له maybe hypothesis إنه light is important for the production of starch. أوكي good. طيب أنا هلأ سألتكم بدكم تفسروا لي النتيجة interpret، وهيدا أول مرة بشرح هيدا السؤال. هون EPT. أوكي interpret first you have to analyze. من بعد الأناليسز بدك تعطيني significance، يعني what does this mean؟ الدلالة على شو بيعني هيدا الشي. حطوا معلومة عندكم interpret بيساوي analyze plus significance.